Hello guys, it's Alex here. And instead of my mom here, I have my brother. Say hi, Max.
Hello.
And so, I'm doing a simple little magic trick today that you can learn no matter what. Okay, I have 4 nickels here, along with my brass cap from the last videos. It's completely empty. See that? Okay, completely empty. Okay. Now, this ordinary stack of nickels. I'm going to ask my brother here. Stick his hand out. Right there. Just place these nickels right on his hand. Take my brass cap. Stick them over. And I'm going to ask you to squeeze as tight as you can. Can you please? Hold it for 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I want you to open them. Max, are you hungry?
Yes.
You are hungry.
I want a jelly bean.
You want a jelly bean?
Orange jelly bean.
I don't have orange jelly beans, but I have a peanut. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
Have a great day.